Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we bring you the latest in beauty products. Today, we're diving into the world of nail care with the Modelones Gel Nail Polish Top Coat. This 15 milliliters no-wipe top coat promises a high-gloss finish and long-lasting protection for both gel and acrylic nails. The Modelones Top Coat is designed to keep your nails shining for over 28 days with proper application. Its upgraded formula contains natural resins, making it non-toxic, non-yellowing, and low in odor. This means you can enjoy your nail designs without worrying about harmful chemicals or unpleasant scents. The smooth application allows for easy use, making it suitable for both experienced nail enthusiasts and beginners looking to DIY at home. In my experience, the application process was straightforward. The consistency of the gel is just right, allowing for an even spread without being too thick or too runny. Once applied, I noticed an immediate glossy finish that made my nails look professionally done. I tested this top coat under various conditions: washing dishes, typing away at my keyboard, and even a weekend of gardening, and it held up impressively well, with no scratches or chips. Let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, the shine is remarkable, the application is smooth, and the longevity is as advertised. However, some users might find that the top coat works best with other Modelones gel polishes, so if you mix brands, results may vary. Additionally, the need for a skin test before use is a small drawback, but crucial for safety. When comparing the Modelones top coat to other products on the market, it stands out for its formula and ease of use. But there are more affordable alternatives that still deliver decent results, like the Ghoulish Top It Off. These might be worth considering if you're on a tighter budget. If you're enjoying this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. It helps us bring more beauty insights to you and allows others to discover this channel. Now let's assess the value for money. Priced competitively, the Modelones top coat offers quality that justifies its cost, especially considering the large 15 milliliters capacity. Its durability and long-lasting shine make it a worthy investment for anyone serious about their nail care routine. The build quality feels robust, with no signs of issues during my testing. The design of the bottle allows for easy handling and application, which is a plus. User-friendliness is a key feature here. It's designed with beginners in mind, which is evident in its application process. In terms of customer support, my interactions with the Modelones team were positive. They were responsive and eager to assist with any questions or concerns, which adds to the overall experience of purchasing their products. After real-world testing, I can confidently say that the Modelones Gel Nail Polish Top Coat lives up to its claims. It has remained intact and shiny even after extensive daily activities. Since my initial review, there haven't been any significant updates affecting its performance, which is great news for potential buyers. To wrap it up, I highly recommend the Modelones Gel Nail Polish Top Coat for anyone looking to achieve a professional quality manicure at home. Whether you're a nail art enthusiast or just want to keep your nails looking great, this product is a solid choice. It's particularly suited for beginners and those who enjoy doing their nails at home. Thanks for watching. You can find the link to purchase the Modelones Top Coat in the description box below. If you have any questions or have used this product, feel free to share your thoughts in the comments.